ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Ministry of Tourism Joka Sarkar India Shillong Office ringkat ka Jingkitkhlieh lang bat ka Lade Keane College Shillong haka arpuwe trik unai luar araja Pule kala pensung thu sekipat ba ya ka jingkho jingsuba jong ka mai mariang lingba ki Samla Pule ki batam ya ki Jaboh jaban ki bala sata hasilenter jong ka surak golf ring ya ki bala bread da ki brio ki baju smart ban le chungok kai bat ki nong ya nang wiang lingba ki ni surak ka parijat barwa ka badai ka tourist information kala ya thu ba ka jing pelong ya ki program kalong komisi penta ban rakhe ya ka swachhta pakhwada haka jing rakhe ya ka World Tourism Day ya ka bala rakhe na do ka khan re tarik unai lur bat on sapun kot pat hadu ka lai phok tarik unai lur arajar Pulai kala ong ba ka jing persang jong ka sarkar ya ka jing thmu kalong ban pun su thu ik pat ba ya ka khoj ka suba ha baro koi ka jila Meghalaya ha kani ka sngi lawan ban ajing kran ru da ka IEC specialist swachhta mission ka kong palvi dora khat kongor uba Nicholas Karnami baju khatsen da uba manek ubujudan benta ban yalap ya ka khoj ka suba ling ba ka program My Meghalaya My Pride.
This packet will cost you 10 rupees. What is the value of this packet? Nothing. I want you guys to come up with a value for this and to take it to the government. I want Sushant to take it to the government that, sir, we have worked on an idea. See, that's the reason why I say this is not a cleanup. We are not freaking cleaning up anything here. We are coming up with solutions. Tell me one thing, is this a step towards a greener India and a cleaner India? My Meghalaya! My pride! Jaboh! Oh! Look there. Oh! Look there. Oh, like
Hi.
This is an event organized by Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, Shillong office, in collaboration with Lade Keane College. We are celebrating this Swachhta Pakhwara, which is from 16th of this month to 30th. So we are trying to, instigate in students the importance of cleanliness. So for that we are doing events in different parts of Meghalaya, not only with mainly with the students but also with the organizations. So that's why we are here today. So the students, they have been briefed what to do, how to maintain the cleanliness and hygiene. That is so important.